What is the one hidden gem or underrated benefit of CLA membership that you've fallen in love with? Something that surprised you once you joined or became more involved?
I think it's just, really the camaraderie with everyone, the openness. I've been in so many industries where it is a task to get any information. Not only, a lot of times your own companies are in separate silos, the different organize or portions of the organization. And then to try to get information outside of that is impossible. But to go into the laundry industry and everybody being so welcoming, willing to share that information, that is just a critical component that eliminates so much stress in my day that I know that I can reach out to anyone and they're willing to help. It's certainly not what I've had in any other industry that I've worked in. So when I talk to new members or I talk to prospects, that is one thing that I always, encourage them to do is take advantage of the shows, take advantage of anything that you can because you will learn more than you ever anticipated.
How about you, Monica? And any hidden gems?
Yeah, I think the only thing I would add is just access. I mean, we've talked about networking a lot already, but there's so much access to free education. There's so much access to being connected to people, to being, to having access. That's my word. Like you just have more access, and it shortens the learning curve for all the things that you're doing. Anything that you're struggling with in your laundry business, like can be like, again, you don't have to do it alone, and the women are amazing, and even some of the guys are all right, like, and some of them will share information. So yeah, I just think that's, I didn't expect that because I definitely experienced CLA in the beginning, just basically like through workshops and you know like wash dry fold conferences and things like that. So having that access to people is gold for sure.
Anything you want to add, Catherine?
Yeah, I'm gonna go in a totally different direction because these ladies have already talked about the things that I would have chosen myself. I do want to put in a plug for the one-on-one with Brian, the CLA president. That was super helpful to ask a whole bunch of questions of. And then also just the resources that are on the website. Like there are a lot of guides and informational things and videos from past programs. Like if people haven't checked those out, I highly recommend it.
Yes. So one thing for any of you who are new and maybe haven't joined CLA yet, one of the benefits that you get immediately is a link to our executive director, Brian Wallace's calendar, and you can set up a 30-minute call. And he's been in the industry 30 over 30 years. So I mean he's reviewed business plans, he's looked at leases, like all those things. He can connect you with other people. So I mean it's pretty unheard of to talk to the executive director. I mean, we are a fairly small organization, but that's pretty unusual that you get that one-on-one time. So thanks for bringing that up, Catherine.